Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel once again. In this video I will show you how I made this lovely flace skirt with elastic at the waist. It also has a side zipper, so please just relax and watch this video till the end. So guys, here is the Ankara print which I'll be needing for this tutorial, and I've gone ahead to fold it into triangular shape. So the next thing I'll be doing is to mark out the waist measurement, and the waist measurement which I'll be needing for this tutorial is 31 divided by 4, it's 7.5 and quarter. 7.5 and quarter plus 1 inch will give us 8.5 and quarter. So from that top I will mark 8.5 and quarter all through, and when I'm done marking it, I'm going to connect it. Can you see I've connected it? And the next thing is to mark out the length of the skirts, and the length which I'll be needing here is 25 inches, and 25 inches plus 1 for the hemming allowance, it's going to be 26 inches. So what I will do here is to start from the top to mark out the desired length, starting from the top, and the desired length which we'll be needing for waist is 34.5 and quarter. So I will mark 34.5 and quarter all through the cycle. Mind you, it's advisable you start marking from the top of the angle as you can see me doing so as to get an accurate curve for your flare. So please do not place the starting of the tape on the waist before marking. Just place your tape, the beginning of your tape, at that angle there when marking, and trust me, when you are done marking you'll see the outcome of the flare. So I'm done connecting the lines. So the next thing I will be doing is to cut it out. When I'm done cutting this particular one, I'm going to fold the fabric into another triangular shape again to use it and cut the second part of the flare. So I will go ahead to fold this remaining Ankara fabric. Can you see it? I'm done folding it into triangular shape. So I will place it on top of it to cut it out following the curves. I'll cut it starting from the waist to the down part of the flare. So the next thing I will do is to go to my machine and sew it by the two sides. Can you see it? So I'm going to place it right side facing the right side. So before I'll do that, I'll first of all cut out the band which I'll be needing for it. So here is the band which I'll cut out. Can you see it? So here is the elastic which I'll be needing for it, and here the elastic is 2.5. So for the waistband I cut out 6.25. 1 inch is going to be for the sewing. So I'm going to take half from this side and take half from the other part and join it. Then the quarter will be for ease allowance, so as to enable the elastic sit properly on the waistband. I'm going to go to my machine to sew the waistband. I will attach the waistband to the skirt. Here is the opening of the zip. So I'll place it from this part and sew it down round to the other part, and I will put my elastic in between the band with the help of my safety pin. So guys, here is the outcome of my skirt. Look at the way it's looking so beautiful. Can you see it? Please guys, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe, like and share, and please hit the notification button below so as to be notified each time I upload any new video. Thank you.